Dude.
Gin. And a tiki drink?
And you can't even see what the drink is. It's like a
Look at that.
Oh, I can't swear in the intro.
No, you can't.
I can beep it.
Take a look. That's what's inside. Now watch.
Alright, welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Derrick, and Ian are going to make a drink for you super fast because the ice was melting. This is called the Rangoon Gimlet. Our executive producer is Lance Reulet. Kind of goes with Rangoon.
Reulet, yeah.
This is
I guess so.
This is going up on the potency. We got 3 ounces of gin, 2 ounces of simple syrup,
About time.
an ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 dashes of angostura bitters, and a couple cups of fresh ice, crushed. Then we're gonna stick it into a blender thing.
1 ounce on my hand.
We're gonna throw that in the emergency blender. The immersion
It's the
blender.
emergency blender.
You can get one of these. It's a Hamilton Beach immersion blender
That's
at
predictive because he thinks I'm going to hurt myself.
Amazon's. I'll put an affiliate link below if you want to give me the 13 cents I can get for it. It's funny how the thing has like 5 measures and he only uses the same one because he doesn't want to turn it over and make a mess in the bar.
Yep.
That's okay.
See how nice I am?
He's professional.
Yeah, that's what pros do.
Yeah, 'cause he yells at you because I turn it over and he's like, "You make my bar sticky."
No.
Nobody
She's
wants to
lying.
get yelled at.
She goes, "Oh," and it spills everywhere. And then I go, "What are you doing? You're making my bar sticky." And then I come over here. I'm like, "Stick." I'm like, "You made 3 drinks, and the whole place is a mess."
I did. I dumped the whole thing of.
Yeah, but it's the only reason why Jen doesn't make... She does it on purpose.
Yeah.
So you're like, get out of here, I'll make it.
Hey, if you want it done right, do it yourself.
Jen's like, oh.
Yeah, it's like when men put all the colors with the whites and turn everything pink and go, "Maybe I should never do this ever again."
Right.
You're your racist jokes.
Was that a racist joke?
Are we garnishing this with a cherry? First we're going to put it in this sweet tea cup.
That's true. We got a straw too. It's got a straw hole.
Yeah, look at that. It's got a straw hole?
Yeah.
This thing is frosty.
See?
Where?
On the top. I don't know. There's a straw hole.
There's no straw hole.
I guarantee you there's a straw hole.
Oh, you said in the top.
I said in the cup.
You said in the top.
What if I pour past the straw hole? What's going to happen?
Oh, it's going to come out. It's going to come out. Hold on. I got it.
There you go. Nope. Put your finger on it and I'll finish it up.
Go ahead.
This is created by Tony Ramos of the China Trader restaurant in California, circa 1963.
Gonna get the bar sticky.
Oh, you dumped it.
I like how you just
Oh, it tastes good, though.
It
Oh.
tastes good, though.
This is like a bad porn.
Well, minus the cocoa.
Wait, you guys are drunk, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. This is what we do.
All right, we need
This
a
is
straw.
how we do it. That's what I was going for. This cocktail is a
Wow,
this
that's
is
an interesting picture.
this is special.
Ironically, no pineapple in this cocktail.
There's no pineapple.
See if that just hung there like that.
Yeah, that looks
No.
weird.
Yeah.
That may. You know what? This is also shot glass.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Get the 160 out. That's...
Oh yeah, fucking light that shit on
Oh,
fire.
let's light something on fire.
Dude, this looks like a slushy.
It's actually pretty good. Hey.
Oh wow, that's not what I was expecting at all. It tastes like a tiki drink, but it's got gin in it. I guess gin can be okay in a tiki drink.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Dan's insulted. He's like, "Oh my god,
Yeah,
why do you say that?"
Fuck
I've had
is
tiki drinks with gin in them.
Yeah, it's well, I can't think of the drink, but I know of one. Oh, the one you just said earlier.
Oh, you like this?
The
That's a
it
good
starts with
one.
an H. What's the drink that starts with an H has gin in it?
Helsinki. I don't
It's
know.
Helsinki, is that Russian?
a drink.
Benedictine is in it.
No, it's Singapore slang.
Singapore slang.
Singapore slang.
Doesn't
Oh, there's no
Oh.
H in it anywhere.
Yeah, wait a minute.
I'm trying to find one, but I can't.
No,
There's no H.
it doesn't exist.
No.
Singapore
I think I was thinking.
The Singapore slang.
Singapore
I was
Real good.
I was thinking of the hurricane,
Right.
but
Because
I
they're
was
both reddish.
thinking that
Yeah.
hurricane with Benedictine, but that's a Singapore slang. It's not a hurricane at all.
No.
So what do you
But they're kind of the same color, so I see where you're going.
Orange?
No, the
Hurricane
the
is
hurricane is Singapore slang.
Singapore sling's red.
Singapore slang's so good.
As is a hurricane.
It is.
It is.
Yeah,
At least Pat O'Brien's there.
that's true. Well, that's
Yeah, they're like not a natural color.
yeah, it's not natural. at all.
It's like
No.
glow in the dark.
So this cocktail, we were probably a little young for this. No, we were young. We weren't even born yet. But there was a show called Hawaiian Eye. It was a TV series. and there was an actor called Robert Conrad. Well, that was his name. It wasn't called that. And this was his favorite drink because they filmed this.
I don't know the show.
Oh, you know Robert Conrad?
By name.
You know a lot of actors by name. It's weird about you, but anyway.
Never met him, or anything like that.
I mean, but the cast, Hawaiian Eye, were in the same area as the bar. So after the filming, they would all go over and they'd be drinking, right? And then so the bartender created a drink called the Hawaiian Eye, which is also in the remix book, but I didn't make that one because this one looked tastier. And then Robert Conrad, like this drink, he made them the Hawaiian Eye, and he still went back to this specific drink. So he would just order these like 3 at a time.
Dangerous.
They're good. You could definitely put that down.
Old Hollywood knew how to drink.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of sweet, but
Few of these, few dirties. You're good.
the thing is, it tastes sweet, but it doesn't. It's not sickly sweet like you get sick of drinking it.
No.
I don't understand. Like,
It's because all the gin.
yeah, maybe there's a lot of alcohol in there. Because
That's
it
good.
tastes sweet, but the finish doesn't really have a sweetness. It's just got that gin, like special gin
Strongness,
flavor in it. Yeah,
That's good.
kind of like it.
It's sweet, but it like
A little angostura
you get all that.
and the lime. It's not a 2-on-1, right? It's a 3-2-1, so it should be a little sweeter, but it's got the 3. That's a fucking lot of gin.
Well, maybe with the extra ice,
Maybe
it
for
waters
you.
down a little bit. And
Right, but the gin's still in there. Like any way you look at it, you're still going to be. If you consume 3 of these, that's 9 ounces of gin. Take a while. But that's a lot of like you can finish a
party.
bottle of gin real fast.
He did that in his head.
he's mad.
I did it 3 at a time.
If you drink 3 of these, you'll be friendly.
You just go like,
Or pants.
pants are off. I'm ready to party.
It's friendly.
That's your go-to, isn't it? Taking the pants down?
Yeah, dude. So here it
I
is.
got a picture of you without your pants on.
That's your go-to. Isn't that your go-to?
You drink 3 of these, pants down, you start ordering zombies. That's when it starts. And then when you finish those couple zombies, I'll take a round of adios, motherfucker! And then everybody
No,
gets
then
up.
you're fucked.
Yeah, and then you wake up in the morning, passed out in the corner between your toilet and your wall.
I got
Yeah.
a picture of you pants down. I got pictures before your pants came down. Apparently, I knew when to stop.
If you
taking
have
pictures.
pictures, if you have pictures before my pants were down, wouldn't those just be called pictures?
Yes.
It's
Pictures with context.
like this.
Something like that.
Like,
That looks like you were trying to take a poop.
Yeah.
yeah, but it's you've got to get freeze frame, so be like yeah, and then
Take your pants off in real time. Let's see what your face looks like. I gotta see this.
Freeze frame that shit.
Okay. Didn't look anything like your freeze frame.
that's kind
Maybe because you're getting so excited.
it's kind of gay.
Maybe.
I'm just saying. Saturn Scorpion Bowl. I almost did a Saturn. I didn't read all the ingredients, but Scorpion Bowl we've done so many times I didn't do it this time. Thanks to Lance, our executive producer. You can use coupon code 30OFF to save 30% off. Hence the name of the coupon code. I shall enumerate some products for you. Scrappy's Bitters, the whole line. They're up there in the corner, like up there. That's whole line of Scrappy Bitters. They're super expensive. They're like $20. If that's considered super expensive to you, 30% off. Just for you! Right? I got BG Reynolds Falernum. Use them for I know, fucking weird. For tea drinks. I got Royal Rose syrups.
This is creepy.
I thought you were whispering something.
Is it more creepy that I didn't find it to be that creepy?
Yes.
Okay. All the Royal Rose line. Wild hibiscus syrups, the blue butterfly pea, which is also from Wild Hibiscus. Fee, Royal, Whiskey Barrel Aged Bitters.
Dude just really likes that color.
This is,
I do.
I used to sell them.
He likes
You put that in your aquarium with a SpongeBob in it.
I have a pineapple. I have a SpongeBob one already.
Pineapple under the sea.
Yeah.
I have the SpongeBob pineapple house already,
Oh, there you go. I guess you don't need to do that then.
and the Squidward. I just don't have them in there anymore because I've matured past that now.
Oh. Really?
That's a mature version of SpongeBob's house.
Yeah. You take that out. Yeah. See, it's so good. You just like hold it.
Yeah, you just want to cradle it. Yeah.
It's
Sidebar.
duck face from the profile. So
Sideboard more videos down below. Our Awesome Drinks bartender starter kit at awesomedrinks.com where that other 30% coupon works as well. So there you go.
That straw now.
Teach you how to drink.